You know what day it is. It's a happy birthday, baby. Know what day it is. It's a happy birthday, baby. We sitting in the house trying to figure out what to do. We think about what we could do, and we do it, so we do. And we have a good time, have a good roll, having something as we eat a bowl of oatmeal and raisins. Have a fun day, going crazy, loving ways just to be fun, having a good time, having a ton of ways just to have a play. And then we say, what we gonna do? Gonna go to work, gonna do our things like we want. In a way, if we don't like the job, then just don't do it, okay? It's no time to argue about what we have to do in this hut. But you know, we gotta clean it up. Why? 'Cause the pigs mess it up. Okay, understand, but I don't get why they live in my crib. Well, 'cause they ain't got no place to go. They starving, they need something, so they eat it. What do they pay? No, they feed it. Kinda like a way, no indifference. 'Cause when I say no eating, they do it, and they kinda do funny things just to get around the house too. In a way, we all got a car except me. Kinda funny how they all do the fun things and every day. So I wanna do something, so I went to the school on my own responsibility. Okay, conquer it, defeat. Gonna get a Pell Grant. If get denied, then I get a way to get in. I don't know, what can you say, man? I don't know, I'll find a way just to get across this land as I want. Okay, if I don't, then I won't get where I want. And then say, damn man, why should I even try? Well, 'cause I want to get by, so I do. And if you wanna mess with my food, then leave me alone, or I'll take you home, put you in the bin, kinda throw you in the den, make you look like a woman or man, don't matter. It's the other in a way, with the splatter of the day. Boom bam, gonna hit you so hard, turn your sexual orientation. Then something gonna happen to your face. And man, kinda like me when I was 10.